So my neighbor bought what I think is the perfect first car for one of his sons, and he wants me to take a look at it and see what it needs. So I'm gonna take a break from working on the WRX and bring it in and start making a checklist. These are Mike's sons. Say your name from tallest to shortest.
I'm Samuel.
Samuel?
Yes. Wyatt.
Wyatt?
And Chris.
Chris. All right, which one of y'all want to pop the hood?
I don't know how.
Oh, come here, I'll show you. I'll show you. All right, so wait, right under. You see right there that little cavity? Okay, yeah. Oh, wait a minute. The thing is broken. Oh, man, hold on. I'll have to pull it myself. Well, yeah, there's usually a lever right here, but it's broken. But you can reach down there and feel it. You have to grab it with your hands and pull it. I've already cracked it, but you see that little lever? I mean, that little black thing that's sticking out? Yeah. That's what you pull. You want to lift the hood?
I guess I'll try to.
All right, so come here. Come here, bend down, bend down. There's a little lever. Let me show you, look out. That you push and it will release the hood. Let me find it. I don't even know where it is. You see it right there? Push that to the left.
To the left?
Yep. And now lift up.
Yeah.
There you go. And then there's a little rod right there that you put into that little hole there. Up, higher, 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 higher. Yep. Good old Honda D series. So he says he doesn't have any records of oil changes, but what I can see already is evidence of valve cover leaks. So I'll put that on the checklist, but it won't be the first thing. But apparently there is a coolant leak somewhere. I see the oil leaks and I'm going to search for a coolant leak and I'll report back. Mike told me they just replaced the thermostat and then after that there was a coolant leak. So I was just following the hoses and there was water under here. Yeah, so it's a little wet under here. Yeah, you see that? I don't know how recent the repair was, but that might be the issue. And all these hose clamps are way tighter than they need to be. These are the hoses that go to the heater core, and they really cinch down on these bad boys. Yeah, they're dry, but yeah, there was some wetness over here. And if the camera will pick it up, the coolant and water have ran down onto the transmission. So that is the area I'm going to start looking for the problem. So yeah, I found where it's very wet. So I put my hand under where the thermostat lives and it seems to be leaking right at the thermostat. So I don't know if they didn't seal it properly or what. So let me check. So the hose area seems dry, but underneath where housing is wet. So task one is to address that. Check the oil. I really can't tell. Let me get a napkin. That oil is very low. That is not good. Yeah, that oil is super duper low. So your dad was right to tell me to check the oil. All right, so we'll do those things first. Yeah, the coolant is low. So for now, we'll top it off, but we're gonna have to drain it to address the leak. But yeah, this doesn't look like that much work at all. I mean, we'll see what else shakes out when we start driving it, but it doesn't look that bad, Wyatt. Look what I happen to have just laying around in the garage. So we'll top it off, pull it out, and I'll let Mike know what I need to do, and we'll see what he says. I'm not gonna do a full bleed because in the time I'm just driving it in and out of the garage to park it on the street, the engine is not even gonna get near operating temperature. But it would be nice if there was some coolant in here. All right, let's let it sit for a minute. Goodness gracious, Wyatt. How much more do you think it's gonna take? Oh, it's probably gonna overflow a little bit, but that's okay. Now we know it's all the way at the top. Read the top of the cap and tell me what type of oil it says it needs.
Yeah. Engine oil at 5W 3C.
3C, is the ink messed up?
3O.
It is. Yeah, it's this. But guess what? That's empty. Let's see if I have some. Is it stuck on?
That's pretty tight.
Alright, let me see. It was tight. Alright, you ready? I don't know if this will be enough to put it up to the good level, but I'll give it all. Let's see. It's still not registering. This thing was very low on oil, so I hesitate to even move it at this point. Wyatt found some more 5W30 lying in my garage. So I'm gonna give it all this. Did the oil get topped off enough for it to be good? Let's see. Hey, it's starting to show up on the stick. I wonder how low these things will run before the oil light comes on. Because I did not see an oil light when I pulled it in. Still needs more oil. It's just on the bottom part of the stick. So it could be burning oil and it could be leaking oil from various places. I found a little bit more. It's 10W30, but everything else was 5, and it is summertime. We're getting temperatures into the 90s, almost 100 every day. So let's add this to it. It'll be nice if this brings it up between the 2 dots, so I will feel more comfortable moving it around. Just let it settle. So you think it's all the way up to the good mark or not? Oh yeah, I think we're good. So between these 2 dots is good. You don't want to go any lower than the bottom dot. And ideally it doesn't go any higher than the top one. So right now, wait a minute, is it still low? You see it?
Yeah. It's right below the bottom dot.
Yeah, it's right below the bottom dot. Let's see. So it's either good enough or almost good enough. Now that definitely makes me feel better about moving it. Okay, yeah, it's right below the bottom dot. So it's better than before, but it needs more oil, and we'll do an oil change on it. Let's see. Power steering fluid. Ah, it actually looks good. Brake fluid level is good at least. Wyatt had to leave, he had a doctor's appointment. But more low-hanging fruit. The air filter. Dirty, but not the dirtiest I've seen. And this is just floating around. I don't know if that's the way that's supposed to be. Yeah, I could have swore there were clips on the back. I actually do like this color for this car. And those wheels actually fit it without being too crazy. So I have a short checklist that I want to knock out first before I let the car idle, get it up to temp, and put it through its paces. But this is a good starting point. I think this will be a fantastic car. And I think it's going to be Samuel's first car, but don't quote me on that. So my neighbor's going to order the parts and fluids, and when I have a chance, I'm going to pull it back in and knock out the things on the short checklist I've made. And then we're going to drive it a bit and see what else it needs. If you'd like to follow along, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.